Today we'll show you how to upload photo or files or folders in your Google Drive and without anything, and you can share it with your friends. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe. Okay, now we need to share this with other friends. Okay, just click to it and go here to Google Chrome and open your Google Drive from here. You are just go to your Gmail like this and go here and go here like this, Google Drive. Okay guys, or go in the search Google Drive, Google heck, like this. Okay, now open this like my drive and go. This is a file or this is a folder, what you want. Okay guys, okay, just we need now to file and go here and put here. Okay, fine. Just now wait it a few minutes or few seconds what you have files. Okay, I think now it's finished. Okay, finally now we can have this in our Google Drive account, and you can share it from here and go to share and copy link and share it with what you want. Okay guys, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.